I'll take it all the way down.
I got it.
Just get it on video. Take a picture of that shit, bro.
Hey, take a picture of me in that shit, man.
Straight up.
I'm getting this on video.
Now let me go all the way down, man, so you don't get your fucking sketches and shit, man.
You see this shit, baby? You see this shit? That's how we do it.
I followed it back from back there, my room, all the way back. Me and Smith. Me, Smith, and Younger fought the shit back. Ochoa and Duff's helped us.
We're still fighting it.
Y'all crazy motherfuckers, dude.
Damn.
I can't even see the damn exit door.
All the way down. Ah, it's dripping on me from the ceiling. This is what happens. This is what happens when your neighbor decides to leave his heater running and it's sub-zero temperatures outside and he opens the window. You don't leave your window open, folks. This is why you don't leave your window open.
Here's somebody walking. I can't see nobody.
Live long and prosper.
Try going into that room and seeing anything.
I did it.
I will, but I'm just wearing regular tennis shoes.
Yeah, my
Alright, I'm gonna go. The water on the bottom of that, the first floor fucking area is already froze.
We're gonna have a pretty sweet move.
And then
you're Oh, that cool. You can like do that.